If someone compiled a list of the world's worst hospitals, the public health facilities where you would least like to find yourself if you were injured or sick, chances are Dora Nginza Hospital in Nelson Mandela Bay would be somewhere near the top of that list. We've previously documented on this channel about the rundown state of the facility and the unacceptable level of care that vulnerable patients are often subjected to. And this includes an extremely high number of stillborn babies. Community activist Kazel Forbes was amongst the crowd attending a Freedom Day rally, drawing attention to the public health crisis at this facility. Kazel, the last time we met you was a campaign in aid of justice for baby Liam, a baby who was one of many that had been stillborn at Dora Nginza Hospital. There were other problems at Dora Nginza as well. Upon your advice, we came and had a look at those other problems, but things haven't got better. Why are we here today?
Today we are here. We are so sick and tired. Our health system is collapsing, especially Dora Nginza Hospital where we at. Last week, we had about 16 mummies, high potential mummies. They could not deliver it. The doctors was there, but the nurses were on strike, which I feel it's not fair. It's inhumane. Babies died actually. 2 mummies gave birth in a car on their way to Utrecht Provincial Hospital.
Having been sent from here?
Having been sent from here. So much so as to where the fathers of the mummies, the daddies obviously, trying to get the mummies out, and the doctors did not want to sign the consent form. So I was like, how can you not do that? It's so not right. I'm speaking in specific about people that is supposed to go into theater, not normal birth, cesareans. So this is why we hear our health system is collapsing, it's crumbling, and we cannot continue with our current MEC sitting there. We cannot continue. It's gonna get worse. You know, I hope that people's eyes would really open up. As you can see, it is a political party that is here today, but it's actually a political party that actually people can see that they do care. They are taking the initiative to come here in the stormy wind that we are standing in. We are standing with our people. They hear our people's cry. We want to be the voice for the voiceless, for the most poorest of the poorest and the vulnerable. For me, it brings tears to my heart to see that this mass of Democrats standing here today, because Freedom Day is not just about you going out having a fun time with your family. It's much more. You have the right for a proper health facility. This is the supposed to be state-of-the-art hospital. If you look at the name Dora, renamed after a nurse, it brings tears to my eyes and to my heart. She's turning in a grave today for what she stands. The pledges. That's for me. I think
In this nurse's pledge, which is enshrined in, I don't know, would we call it a monument? That hasn't been particularly well maintained at Dora Nginza. We have said it before on this channel, and we'll say it again. The South African public need to agitate for it to be law that all elected officials and their immediate families have to use the same public health system that they've created for the populace. All inertia within the system and any blockages would disappear overnight.